Hello guys, today we're really going to focus on counting by fives to count nickels and drawing touch points on nickels when we count them. So just to practice for our coins, we're going to start with a game.
Floyd, Roley, Birdie, and Cuzcuz are fishing for coins in the couch. Find the coin that answers each question. Which coin is worth 5 cents?
Okay.
Dime.
Is a dime worth 5? No, it has a touch point on the top and bottom. 5, 10.
Penny.
Nope, that's 1 cent.
Quarter.
Quarter is 25 cents. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 20,
Quarter.
25.
Nickel.
A nickel's 5 cents. How much is the nickel? 5
Which
cents.
coin is worth 25 cents?
Okay, let's see.
Dime. Quarter. Nickel. Dime.
We know that
Nickel.
the nickel's worth 5.
Dime.
The dime is worth 5. 10.
Quarter.
Quarter's 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25.
Which coin is worth 10 cents?
Well, we already said that this is 25.
Nickel.
This is 5. So it's
Penny.
either the penny, but that's only 1, or the
Dime.
dime. 5, 10. 10 cents.
Which coin is worth 1 cent?
Okay, a penny. It's the only one that's worth 1. We don't have to count by fives when we count it. A penny is 1, and it's a different
Penny.
color.
You are master.
We did it. Great job. So now I have a Nearpod lesson for you. DZWFE is the code. Again, that's DZWFE. You're going to take your code and enter it into Nearpod.com or the Nearpod app in order to join the lesson. And in order for me to be able to see all of your hard work and be so proud of you, I need to see your name and then join session. So I told you today we're practicing with nickels. So I want you to place an X on all of the nickels. So you need your drawing tool down at the bottom. And I'm going to make it red just like the red there. Now is this a nickel? It's the back of a nickel, so we're going to put an X. Okay, this is a dime. A penny. This is the front of a nickel. It's 5 cents. Can you put an X over the nickel? That's a quarter. A penny. A quarter. Do you know what this is? Another nickel, the front of a nickel, so put an X. A dime. Here's the back of a nickel. Put an X. Now quarters have a lot of different symbols on them, but you can always tell from the size. This is a quarter. We're not looking for quarters, we're looking for nickels. Okay, here's another nickel. Cross it out. Okay. Is this a nickel? No. Is this a nickel? Yes, let's cross it out. How about this guy? That's a nickel. Penny. What's this one? A nickel. Quarter. What about this one? It's a nickel, 5 cents. Dime. Penny. How about this one? Another nickel. Another 5 cents. Quarter. Penny. 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 Dime. Quarter. Dime. Penny. What's this? A nickel. Let's cross it out, since we're putting an X on all the nickels. Okay. Dime, not that one. A nickel. What's this? A nickel. Penny. Quarter. So, look at all the nickels. 5 cents, 5 cents, 5 cents, 5 cents, 5 cents. How much is a nickel? 5 cents. Now, how many nickels did you find? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many nickels did we find? 13. Make sure you put 13 X's. When you're done, hit submit. Okay. Here we're going to practice drawing the touch points only on the nickels. So you need to find all the nickels and put a dot in the middle. Can you draw a dot in the middle? It might be easier if you make the circle bigger. Then you just click it once. So you need to find all the nickels. I found another one. And draw your touch points in the middle. Let's see. Nickel, I marked it. Penny, penny, dime, quarter. Okay, the first row is done. Nickel, marked. Penny, nickel, I did my touch point. Dime, another nickel, I did my touch point. This row's done. Now, we have dime, dime, penny, penny, and there's another nickel. Draw your touch point. Quarter, dime, penny, dime, dime. No touch points to draw. So for this page, I want us to count to add it up together. So we need to count by 5s when I touch each touch point on the screen. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So there's 25 cents of nickels on this page. Now let's do it one more time. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 25 cents worth of quarters. 25 cents. You don't need to write 25 cents. I just want you to practice counting with me and drawing your touch points. So you had to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touch points. When you're done drawing your touch points, hit submit. Okay, so now we can practice counting by 5s before we add them up. So we'll do it 2 times, and I want you to do it with me. So if somebody's in the room with you, they should be able to hear you counting too. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Okay, I'm so proud you did it 1 time. We are going to do it 1 more time for practice, okay? Do you think we could try a little bit faster? You're so smart, I bet we can. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. All right, since I'm proud of you, let's draw a happy face. When you're done drawing your happy face, since you made me smile, hit submit. Okay, it says the nickel. The nickel is called 5 cents. 5 cents or 5 cents, so there's all these different ways to write it. Thomas Jefferson was our 3rd president, and he is on the front of a nickel. So sometimes every couple of years they change the way that a coin looks. So this is a nickel and this is a nickel. So on these, I'm going to make my dot bigger. I'm going to draw my touch points. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Did you draw your touch points too? So we should draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots. After we're done drawing our dots, now it's time to count. So I'm going to make mine smaller. Well, why don't I try typing it? Okay. So here, when I count this coin, I get 5. So I'm going to put a 5 here. And when I touch this point, I also get 5. All right. Now, what about down here? A nickel is worth 5. This nickel is worth 5. And this nickel is worth 5. Okay. Now, if I'm going to add them up, I count by 5s until I finish the end of the row, like this. 5, 10. That's it. You just added nickels just from doing that. Ready? 5, 10. Can you try counting them by yourself? 10 cents. 2 nickels is 10 cents. 5, 10. Let's check out 3 nickels. Ready? 5, 10, 15. Can you do it with me? 5, 10, 15. Now you try by yourself. So 3 nickels, 1, 2, 3, or 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 5, 10, 15. 15 cents. Wow, you guys are amazing. When you're done writing, hit submit so I can see your hard work. Okay, this is our last page of practice. So the first thing that we do is we draw all of our dots, our touch points. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Now it's time to count by 5s. I'll change my color. Ready? This one's easy. There's only one. So we just go 5 and we're done. So this shows, number 1 shows 5 cents. 5, and then a C with a little line. Okay, now let's look at the next one, number 2. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Can you count with me? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. This shows 25 cents. Okay, ready? 5, 10. That's so easy. Ready? Do it with me. 5, 10. 10 cents. You guys are on a roll. We only have 2 left. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20. Can you do it with me? 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 cents. Okay, one more and we're all done with our nickels. Ready? 5, 10, 15. Can you do it with me? 5, 10, 15. 15 cents. 15 cents. If you don't want to put the cent sign because it's hard to write it, that's okay. What I really want to see are your touch points and your numbers. Great job practicing your nickels today. Make sure you hit submit. Oh. Well, we're out of time on the video. You can just cross this out and hit submit. and be all done. Great job.